Buggerlugs is on one of her perches. Don't show me your ass. There you go. What are you doing up there? Eh? What are you doing up there? Eh? What are you doing up there, Buggerlugs? Eh? You little sod. You're a Buggerlugs, aren't you? Eh? Gorgeous Buggerlugs, aren't you? Eh? Gorgeous Buggerlugs. Look at your feathers. What are you on with? Eh? Why have we come in here? Why have I come in here? Because you were quiet, weren't you? And as parrot owners know, if your parrot's quiet, they're usually up to no good. But you're just playing on your thing, aren't you, sweetheart? No, come here. Hey. We're not playing. Come here. Come here, stroke your head. Come here. Not want to stroke, eh? You're not wanting strokes? No, are you being... Are you one of them moods? Eh? Are you not in a strokey mood, sweetheart? No. Give away, I just want to try and get you... There. I love that. Just on the beat, like, actually, instead of risking my phone. Just there, I love that bit of them. Just round the beak and before their eyes. Bloody stunning little birds. I absolutely love you to death. Don't... Even though you're a little bugger, aren't you? Even though you're a little bugger sometimes, we love you to death, don't we? Get out. What are you doing? Come here. Ain't not in the mood for strokes like cameras out, sweetheart. You got your reputation to live up to. Come here. No, come here. Come here. Here. Step up. Step up, good girl. Step up. Good girl. What are you doing? Hey? Been a Buggerlugs? Hey? Been a Buggerlugs? Giddy, it's only bloody me. There, what's to do? Hey, come on. You've seen bloody camera before. Hey, get that. Oh, you book. Oh, you're in one of them moods, are you? You're in a proper little mood, are you? Come here, step up then. Put your back up. Don't be so bloody... She does crack me up. She's absolutely bursting with personality. Oh God, she's funny. Right, sweetheart, we're going now.